About this item: input, AC 100-240V, 50 to 60 Hz, output, DC 18.5V 4.6A second generation T-Tip connector, replacement for MacBook Pro 15 after 2012 with model A1398, MacBook Pro 13 after 2012 with model A1425, A1502, A1435, A1465, compatible with MacBook Pro 15-inch mid 2015 MJLU2 MJLT2, MacBook Pro 15-inch mid 2014 MGXC2 MGXA2, MacBook Pro 15-inch 2013 Me293 Me294 Me664 Me665, MacBook Pro 15-inch mid 2012 MC975 MC976, MacBook Pro 13-inch early 2015 MF839 MF840 MF841 MF843, MacBook Pro 13-inch mid 2014 MGX72 MGX82, MGX92, MacBook Pro 13-inch 2013 Me864 Me865 Me866 MD212 Me662.